Hi, my name is Joseph Munge, and I'm the founder and managing director of Finatrack Global Limited. Finatrack Global Limited is a licensed provider of GPS tracking solutions within the Kenyan market. Over and above GPS tracking, we also provide additional vehicle security solutions and solutions which enhance the peace of mind of vehicle owners and other related parties in terms of being a stakeholder in the ownership journey of the particular vehicle. The first solution which we provide entails the installation of a cutout switch. So a cutout switch, this is simply a switch which one needs to be able to press for the vehicle to start. So this switch is generally hidden within different locations within the car, where the vehicle owner and other related parties are advised so that they have the limited information in terms of location of this particular button. This is also one of the cheapest solutions which we provide, where installation can be done at the convenience of the client's place, and installation is done at 4,000 Kenya shillings, inclusive of the devices are required to offer this. The next solution entails the installation of a car alarm system. So the car alarm system comes in two packages. The first package is a standard car alarm system, where one can be able to get a siren alert, or rather when the vehicle is tampered with, the siren is set off. Now with this, it comes with two keys, or rather two controllers, which you attach to the car keys, and you use them to either unlock your car, or also set off the alarm. Now with this alarm system, what differentiates it from the additional, or rather the other alarm system, is the existence of an inbuilt cutout system. So the standard alarm doesn't have the inbuilt cutout system, whereas the advanced alarm system comes with an inbuilt cutout system. So for this cutout system, you can switch on your car, and then after you start moving, the car will prompt you for you to be able to press the cutout switch. If you don't press it, the vehicle will switch off automatically, and the siren will set off. So this first alarm, which doesn't have the siren, which doesn't have the cutout system, usually goes for 5,500, whereas the one with the cutout system goes for 6,500, also inclusive of installation. Next, we provide the dashboard cameras. These help record real-time footage, and you can be able to play back the videos. And this is simply a camera connected to your dashboard, or rather your windscreen, and they record mainly what's happening in the front part of your car. We also have additional advanced dashboard cameras, which also can enable multiple recording, such as the recording of what's happening in front of your car, what's happening inside your car, or we can also connect it to the rear view camera. Now finally, we go to our car tracking solutions, where we provide access to both wired and wireless trackers. Each of these trackers go for 15,000 Kenya shillings, and they don't have any annual or monthly renewal fees, and also the pricing is inclusive of installation. So over and above this, you find that vehicle owners have additional accessories. Since we have technicians specialized in vehicle wiring, we also provide the additional installations of accessories within the vehicle, such as radios, reverse cameras, and other electrical solutions. To learn more about us, or how we can be able to provide these services to you, you can contact us through 0723 645 810, or you can visit our website, which is www.finatrackglobal.com.